Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see question number 7. Prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Here this is the question what we need to prove. So we have to take here LHS and we should get the RHS. If not vice versa. In some problems you should take RHS and we should get LHS. So here let us start solving the problem. Consider LHS, left hand side part of the problem. So let us take this value completely. So say here what is given, sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. Here you observe carefully, for both of them A plus B whole square formula is suitable. A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Based on this formula, we are going to expand both of them. So here A means sin A, B means cosecant A. So here, if A is sin A, what is A square? Sin square A. Plus B square is cosecant square A. Plus 2 into A into B means sin A into cosecant A. Sin A into cosecant A. Clear?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, here this one, as I do not have place here, I am expanding here. Plus, now tell me, this one also same A plus B whole square. In place of A here cos A, in place of B secant A. Tell me now, A square cos square A plus B square secant square A plus 2 into A into B cos A into secant A. Here, in the next step, let us apply some formulas. In place of cosecant A, cosecant A can be written as 1 by sin A. And here in place of this secant A can be written as 1 by cos A. Clear? Now let us substitute these formulas in the previous step. Along with that, let us write this sin square A and cos square A together. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Cosecant square A and secant square A let us write together. Now here tell me first, sin square A plus cos square A. Same way, cosecant square A plus secant square A. Plus, now we are going to write this 2AB and this 2AB. First I am writing first one, 2 into A means sin A. In place of cosecant A, what can we write?
1 by sin A.
So let us write 1 by sin A. Plus, here this 2AB is to be written. So let us write 2 as it is into cos A also as it is into. In place of secant A,
1 by cos A.
1 by cos A. Is there any cancellation?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Which one?
Sin A.
Sin A and sin A?
Cos A and cos A.
Cos A and cos A. Now here, sin square A plus cos square A, we have a formula. That is 1. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Let us write the suitable formulas here. So we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Clear? And here if we write this as 1, this is 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. But here in the answer we need 7. That too here cosecant square A is and plus secant square A is there. But we need tan square A plus cot square A. So we need to convert cosecant square A plus secant square A in terms of tan square A and cot square A. How to write? Now let us take the help of other trigonometric identities. We have second one is secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. In place of secant square A, let us send tan square A that side. So secant square A can be written as 1 plus tan square A. Is it clear? This minus tan square A, when it is sent that side, it will become 1 plus tan square A. So in place of this secant square A, we are going to write this 1 plus tan square A. Is it clear? And one more trigonometric identity also there, that is cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Here we have cosecant square A, but we need in terms of cot square A. So let us send same cot square A to right side. Then here what happens? Cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Now let us substitute all the formulas. Now here, based on this, you answer me. What is sin square A plus cos square A? 1. So this can be replaced with 1 plus. What is cosecant square A from this list?
1 plus cot square.
1 plus cot square A. 1 plus cot square A. Plus from this table, from these formulas, what is secant square A?
1 plus tan square A.
1 plus tan square A. Plus, here you observe, sin square A plus cos square A, I have written as 1. Cosecant square A is 1 plus cot square A. Secant square A is 1 plus tan square A. Here 2 1s are 2. Plus here 2 1s are 2. So let us write 2 plus 2. Clear? Now add all the numbers now. Say here 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2. Here what is required?
7.
Okay, we got 7 here. Plus we can write cot square A plus tan square A, or as it is addition we can alter it. So to get the answer we can write here this as tan square A plus cot square A. Is it clear? Now you observe here, is it not the RHS? Yes, it is the RHS. So here we got this is equal to RHS. Therefore, if we consider LHS, we got RHS. Hence proved. With this problem number 7 gets completed. Now we see question number 8. Simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Now here let us start solving this problem. So it is very clear, this is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So we can apply the formula of A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus. What is the formula?
A square minus B square.
A square minus B square. So based on this formula, first let us simplify first two easily. So here in place of A, 1 is there. In place of B, cos theta is there. So here let us write the question for the first step. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So here I am going to apply formula for this. Here A means 1 means A square is 1 square. Here B means cos theta and B square is cos square theta. Actually it is cos theta whole square. It can be written as cos square theta but not cos theta square. Now let us write this 1 plus cot square theta as it is. Is it clear? 1 square is 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus, it is 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Here you see, from the trigonometric identities, from the first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here you observe, we need 1 minus cos square theta. So let us send cos square theta this side. Now here what is left here? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. That means you need to understand that this 1 minus cos square theta can be replaced with sin square theta. Is it clear? Now we have one more identity, that is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. From this we need 1 plus tan square theta, cot square theta. So here send this one this side, right side. Now here what is left? Cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus
Cot square.
minus cot square theta becomes plus 1 plus cot square theta. That means you need to understand that in place of 1 plus cot square theta we can write cosecant square theta. So here let us apply these formulas in the next step. Now tell me now 1 minus cos square theta can be written as
Sin square theta.
sin square theta into 1 plus cot square theta can be written as
Cosecant square theta.
cosecant square theta. Clear? Now here with one more formula we can close this problem. As we know, cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. Clear? Based on this formula, cosecant square theta can be written as
1 by sin square.
1 by sin square theta. In fact, it is cosecant square theta means squaring on both the sides. 1 square is 1. Sin theta whole square is sin square theta. So let us write this cosecant square theta as 1 by sin square theta. So write this sin square theta as it is into cosecant square theta is 1 by
Sin square.
sin square theta. Is there any cancellation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sin square theta, sin square get cancelled. Now answer is 1. Therefore here on simplifying the given expression, we will get answer is 1. With this problem number 8 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.